Prism Path Swoncho. In this video, we are going to discuss everything regarding chart number 3. Now, you can see right here on your screen that we are looking at chart number 3, which includes a 7-stitch repeat and a 7-row or round repeat. The biggest takeaway from this is we're going to do a lot of different color changes, okay? So we will be changing colors throughout the entire piece, but one thing you will notice is when you look at round number 4, we have several colors happening on this round. We're going to be using 3 colors again. So we will have our color G, which is for me mint julep. We will have our color A, which for me is the crush. We will have our color E, which is frosting, and then we go back across. All of the other rows only have 2 colors, but this one I did want to do 3 colors. I thought it looked really cool and it really breaks up the color work a little bit in your actual Swoncho. So as you are working on row around 4 particularly, make sure you keep those floats nice and consistent and make sure they are not too tight. And yes, they are going to stretch across a good number of stitches, especially as you go from that light pink right there on stitch number 4 to stitch number 4 on the next stitch pattern repeat. But you'll be fine. It's not going to be anything that's detrimental to your work. Those are the biggest takeaways for this section of your work. Make sure you are consistent with your gauge and have fun. Snap pictures along the way and share with us. I'll talk to you soon.